Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button at the center. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the motion photo. As you can see, here we can change it, we can turn it off, we can turn it on the auto, so the camera should recognize when are the best possible conditions to take this kind of picture, and also we can turn it on every time we take a photo. So let's stay on this now. When we have this, we can get 2-in-1 when we tap on the shutter, so we can get a picture and the short clip. Let me show you how it works by taking a photo. To see it, let's move to the right to this button. Here we can get quick access to the gallery, and this is our motion photo. As you can see the short clip, and when we stop it here, we can see the picture. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.